Reports about Samsung Galaxy S10 have started coming out, even though the Galaxy Note 9 is still a couple of months away from getting released. So let's talk about these reports and the codename of Samsung Galaxy S10 in this video ahead. Hello everyone, this is RKV and you are watching Unveil Universe. So Samsung Galaxy S10 is going to get released the next year, and a trusted source from Korea known as Bell has reported that S10 is going under development and has leaked the codename for Galaxy S10. The Samsung is habitual of giving codenames to its devices. For example, S8 was codenamed as Dream and S9 was codenamed as Star, although the Note 9 was known as Crown, and I had made a video about it. You can watch it in the cards above. And now Samsung Galaxy S10 is codenamed as Beyond, giving S10 a 10th anniversary Galaxy S series device codenamed as Beyond. What does this simply implies? I think this simply means that S10 is going to be beyond everything else Samsung has ever created, every other device Samsung has ever manufactured. Or maybe it's beyond imagination, beyond the stars, beyond the dreams, which were the previous code names for its devices like the S8 and S9. And multiple reports have claimed that the S10 is coming with that in-display fingerprint scanner, which is a long-awaited feature, and Samsung is working on this technology with Synaptics, Qualcomm, Feestick, and there is also a possibility that Samsung is adding a 3D camera to S10, which will take that face recognition and AR emoji to a whole new level. But take this 3D camera as a mere speculation. And after all that said, what do you think about this code name given to S10? Do let me know in the comment section below, and I'll be covering all the leaks about Samsung Galaxy S10 in the coming future videos, so make sure to hit that subscribe button for that, and follow us on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram for more updates like this one. So that is all for today. I'll see you tomorrow in the next one. Until then, peace.